So, welcome to day 4 of our 50 days React Zero to Mastery series. Today's app is a color picker app whereby the user can input the color they want to display and then see the figures. So, the default is white, and for white it displays this code. So, let's get into it. So like the normal drill, I'm going to create a new folder and name it color picker, the name of our application that we want to create in React. So after that, I'm going to open Visual Studio Code. Then navigate to the folder, color picker. After selection, I'm going to use Vite to install React. It should take a few minutes. So I'm then going to run npm install to install the packages. So we are going to start our development as usual. I'm going to remove the boilerplates for a bit application that we found as default. Then we'll also remove this part. Then the next thing is to create our component, folder component that will hold everything. To place default, function, app. Then it should return let us just put div for now. Write hello just to test our app if it is working. So I'm going to run npm run dev. So control click to open this one in browser. So our app is working, so we can proceed with our development. So I'm going to create a new folder in the root directory called components. Then under components folder, I'm going to create a new file called color picker. .jsx. So this one is also going to be a React component. So basically export default function and it should return now. Let us just put div then in our div we want to have an input that allow the user to select a given color and then display the color that has been picked. So the input element, this is the input normal HTML element. type should be color. Then value, let us just leave it blank for now because we have not created the variable. Then on change, we also leave that one for now. We're going to create a function. Then for display, we will have the element selected color. Selected color to be the variable which we are going to create. So for now, let us have h1 title for our application, color picker. Can view it. Before we view it, let us just create the variable const selected color. Set selected color. Then use just get hashtag yes, so that one is the default color for now. Then here it should accept the selected color. Then the function should handle the changing of color by the user. So we'll have const handle color change, handle color change equal to event as an argument, then arrow function which will set the selected color to event dot target dot value. So the function should be placed here. So with that, I'm going to export that component to our app component. With that exported, so we can view now the application. So this is our color picker. So we can pick any color we want. Then it should return color, the color we selected. So for now it's still not showing. Let us show that. Our color pick. So we need to have the selected color. So if we come back, you can see the default color is white. Press enter. Red is that one. Then black should be that one. Zero zero. So that is it. You can play with the colors. Thank you for watching, and let's continue the series.